Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will going to study about articles. What are articles? Articles are words used before nouns and then modifies noun. Means noun से पहले हम articles का use करते हैं और ये modify करते हैं noun को. Articles define whether the noun used in a specific context or general context. Means article को noun के साथ add करने से noun या तो specific हो जाएगा या वो common हो जाएगा. So in English articles are categorized in two different types based on their usage. Definite articles, that is the, and indefinite articles, that is a or an. So firstly we will study indefinite articles, that is a or an. As I told you, articles are used to modify a noun, that is articles are added before noun, so a or an is used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. ये किसी आम नाम और वाहिद नाम को मॉडिफाई करता है. Okay, indefinite means which is not obvious, specific or exact about anything. For example, do you have a pencil? Here in this sentence we are talking about a pencil and it could be any pencil, not specific. Okay, we use a or an with singular general nouns. Means आम नाम और वाहिद नाम के साथ यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल a sofa, an apple, a car. These are some examples. Now, when to use a or an? If a word is beginning with a consonant sounds, a is used. For example, a book, a dog. In second usage of a article, consonant sound is producing. Means had, for example, h is consonant sound. Similarly, with uniform and 1 rupee note, the sound is starting with W. Now, usage of an article. We use an before vowel sound. For example, an essay, an onion. Use an when h is not sounded. Mean as h is silent here, r starts with a vowel sound. So an is used before the word our. Okay. Now, what is definite articles? Definite articles क्या होते हैं? Definite articles show uniqueness or specific thing. The is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. Means खास नाम और वाहिद या जमा के साथ यूज़ होंगे. कौन? Indefinite articles. Okay. Let's understand how to pronounce the. If article the is added before words which start with a vowel sound, it pronounced as the. For example, the America, the apple, the onion. Okay. If article the is added before words which start with a consonant sound, it is pronounced as the. For example, the big apple, the rounded onion. These are some examples. Let now look into 5 important usage of article, that is the. First usage is it is used to refer to something which has already been mentioned. For example, he has a girl. The girl wants to become a doctor. You can notice here that we use a for referring to a girl first time, but we use the for refer to the same girl again. Let's look into one more example. I ate an apple. The apple was sweet. You can notice here that we use an for referring to the apple first time, but we use the to refer the apple second time. Second usage, it is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. For example, my father enjoyed the book you gave me. Which book? The book that you gave him. Okay. Let's go to the park. Which park? That park which is known here. So the second usage is when you want to be specific about the thing. Okay. Third usage here, it is used when a singular noun is used to represent a whole class. For example, the cow is a useful animal. Here we are talking about the whole class of cow. So the is used. ठीक है. The cat loves comfort. Here we are talking about the whole class of cat. That's why the is used. Let's look into fourth usage. It is used before some proper nouns. जैसे for example oceans and seas, rivers, desert, group of islands, mountain ranges, holy books. Okay, so these are proper nouns with which we use the before these nouns. Fifth usage, it is used to refer to people or objects that are unique. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the ocean, the sea. You can see here that these all are unique objects. So we use the here. Okay. So these are the 5 important usages of articles the. There are some other usages of the, but we will talk later. We will discuss later in some other video. But remember that articles are only used with nouns. Articles are only used with nouns. Okay, so that's all for today.